At Alfa Laval, we've worked with boilers for more than a century. We design and manufacture, but also inspect and repair. We use quality plates and tubes of class-approved materials. Our own workshops fabricate the replacement parts. Experienced boilermakers and welders perform the work. And they apply the latest knowledge from today's boiler program. Our experts extend performance by restoring boilers to good as new condition. They can do it at a yard or in port, but also at sea. Many thanks to KOTC for letting us show the work.